Hello. Breast cancer is one of the major causes of death in women. It was estimated around 670,000 deaths were reported during 2022. Every life matters. This breast cancer does not impact only the person, but the entire family. We at Newtronic, we like to take part in awareness program for breast cancer. Thank you very much for your time.
October is more than just a month.
It's a reminder to care.
To check and to be aware.
Because early detection saves lives.
Cancer doesn't discriminate.
It can affect anyone, your mother, sister, father, or your friends.
But together we can fight it.
Together we can spread awareness.
Together we can save lives.
A simple self-exam takes a few minutes.
But it can make a lifetime difference.
Do not ignore the signs.
Don't wait for tomorrow. Act today and talk to your doctor.
Encourage your loved ones.
Schedule regular screening.
Because awareness is the first step of prevention.
And prevention is the key to protection.
Let's break the silence. Let's end the fear.
Let's stand for hope.
Let's stand for strength.
Let's stand for survivors. Every pink ribbon tells us a story.
A story of courage.
A story of resilience.
A story of life.
To every warrior fighting cancer.
You inspire us.
You teach us to never give up. You remind us that strength has no limits. To every survivor, you are our hope.
You are our heroes. To every lost soul. You will always be remembered. Today we wear pink. Not just for a color, but for a cause.
For awareness and for strength.
Together we can make a difference.
It's a movement.
Together we can spread the message.
Together we can save lives. This is not just a message.
It's a promise.
The fight will never stop fighting.
October month is the month for breast cancer awareness, and we at Newtronic wholeheartedly join this initiative. So let us stand together and let us speak together, because every life matters and awareness will save lives. And hope is stronger than cancer. Let us build a future that is cancer free. Thank you.